Good morning, Robert Gordon, Sherman and Aldine students. It's Coach Lowe here today, and we're going to teach you how to make a measuring tape, okay, which is stuff that we have around the house. One item you could use is tape. All right, so you'll need tape. You'll need a small ruler. Even if you have a small, this is only 6 inches. This one measures up to a foot, okay. Cardboard, all right. You can also use an old belt, like so. There's an old belt, or you can use ribbon. My daughter had some ribbon laying around. This is perfect. This will do the job just as well, so you can use ribbon as well. I would choose probably a wider ribbon. This is a little narrow, but still it'll do the job. First, I want to show you how to make the masking tape ruler. And basically what we're doing is we're taking a piece of tape, and then we're going to fold it in half, sticking both sticky sides together. You can use an adult to help you too if you need. Okay, so basically you're gonna make a bunch of small sections like this. All right, stick them all together like so. You have long, you can stick them together. Then I would take your ruler and mark off a foot. So I mark off the inches. So it should be 12 inches in each foot. We're going to be using this tape to measure how far we throw, how far we can catch, how far we can jump, the length of different bones. I mean, we're going to use it for a lot of different things throughout the rest of the year. So you need, in order to get credit for this assignment, you need to make one of these different types of tapes. Okay, that's 1 foot. Okay, then you're going to label it 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are inches. And for every 12 inches equals 1 foot. Then I would join these two together. You can just use a regular piece of tape to join them together, like so. Now, when we do use these to measure our jumps or how far we can catch, it doesn't have to be 100% accurate. We're basically just gonna get a close roundabout number of how far we jumped or how far we threw, and so on. Here's one that I already did. Okay. Label my inches, and then my feet. This is one I have tape. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Everybody's gonna get the job done. Next I used a cardboard. So I cut them into 1 foot strips. These are all equal strips. And I labeled them 1 through 12 inches. Okay, once you've done that, then you can connect them together. Connect them together like so. Now take your time. Now when I put the tape on, I went over some of the ink, so I will go ahead and fix that. Okay, so then once you're all done with your tape, with your cardboard tape, it should look like something like this. This is another 6 foot tape. And now this one I can just bend like so to fold it up. Okay, so when you're done with your tape, I want you to take a picture or a video of you making your tape and then upload it to the assignment. Okay, that way I can see that you have done the assignment and that you made your own measuring tape. All right, what we're gonna be using the measuring tape for is, I'll show you real quick. Okay, here we are. For starters, we can just do the long jump. Okay, it's gonna be one of our assignments in the upcoming weeks. I have my tape. You basically pick your starting line. Here's my starting line. All right, I'm gonna stand behind it. Toes gonna be right as close to the line as they could. Feet are shoulder width apart, knees are bent. I'll swing my arms, we're gonna use momentum. As my arms swing forward, I'll thrust my hips forward and jump as far as I can. Nice balanced landing. Then I'm gonna use that snowball that I have in my hand to mark the back of my heel. Since I marked the back of my heel, now I'm gonna measure how far I jump. So you're gonna measure from the line to the ball, and I jumped 3 foot 6 inches. All right. Go ahead and make sure you watch the video. Watch it a couple times if you need to. There are many other things that you can use to make this tape. There's a couple of just different options that I gave you. These are some of the easier ones. So go ahead, Robert Gordon, make your measuring tape. Signing off.